Well, I was on Gaia watching Making Money Georgia show Beyond Belief. And he had D'Souza on there talking about UFO false flags. And it was primarily more about the Tic Tac UFO incident. And it could be that it's part of a deep space, or excuse me, deep state controlling the narrative of ufology to push for a fake alien invasion agenda. And he was asking a question about that it could be, but he felt that, D'Souza felt that the technology that was observed is basically ours, and the fact that there was nothing done in terms of, I guess it would be more as they were protecting these aircraft. He was talking about certain types of drones that are out now. I think it's the X47B. And he was comparing that to the images that are in the so-called Tic Tac videos. And he says that that way he was working it was that this is probably our technology. We're protecting it. We're using it. And it was done to test the pilot's reaction, the Navy personnel on board the Nimitz and her battle group's reaction to this. And it was more of a controlled of the deep state. And it really, it was quite interesting. And I'm going to have a link to the preview of it. And then I'll have a link to D'Souza's site where he has a short clip from his program called The Unknown. Now, I haven't been able to find the program exactly online except at his website. And it's really done in very good quality, and I do recommend it. So without further ado here, let's go ahead and we'll see you in the next clip.